These are the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra noise canceling earbuds. And I'm going to be unboxing the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra noise canceling earbuds and setting this up, connecting it with my phone, going over the features, and talking about how comfortable they are when they are in my own ear. I'm going to be doing the setup of this, how to use this. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So here is the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra noise canceling earbuds. Comes in a small box like this, but packs huge amount of quality sound. Here's a side, not much going on. And I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this first, get into it so we can see what it looks like. Tear that off. And then pull this out. So open that up. And here is the earbuds itself in the case. There is a cue to the music, start here, setup for the Bose right here. If you want to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this out. I'm going to pull this out. There is the Bose case itself, and inside happens to be some sort of cable, and then a lot of reading material meant for the bathroom toilet. I'm going to put that to the side. Here's a lot of information. Make sure you read this before you operate your Bose headphones. It's important that you know the exact instructions from the manufacturer. Toss that shit. And then here is the actual headphones, earbuds. And I'm assuming inside that there are several selections of the earbud pads that you put, or the tips that you put on the end of the earbuds that go in your ear for cushion support and blocking out noise. It looks like the current tip that's on here is a medium, but you also have the option for small and large. And then 1, 2, 3, I'm not exactly sure what this is right here, but it's pointing. We'll figure that out as we go. And pull this out. This seems to be charging cable. Give me a second while I'll open that up. Okay, so this is the charging cable, USB-C on one end, and USB-C or USB-A connecting cable. So this is for charging or connecting to your computer. We'll use that. Go ahead, pull out the earbuds out of its shell right here, place it aside, and we open up the ear tips. So here are the ear tips right here, and what is this on the other side right here? Feels like Christmas in July. So here is something that says left, right. We'll figure that out momentarily. And here are the different sizes for the earbud tips. Place that to the side. I'm going to put this to the side right here. Meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and pull out the Bose earbuds, the Quiet Comfort Ultra noise canceling earbuds. And the case is seems larger than a iPhone AirPod Pro case. Seems larger. The connection feature is similar on the back as it is with the Apple AirPods. You have a connection for the USB-C, connected to adapter or perhaps a computer for charging. Go ahead and unplug that. It simply goes in like this when you're charging. Connect that to the proper adapter, and you can charge the case and also charge the earbuds. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It looks like it has a charge already. Not sure what this paper thing is, but we'll find out. So here are the earbuds. This one is the right, as it says R on the side, representative of right. And this one right here is for the left. And we're going to take a closer look at those in a second, but I just want to open this up, pull this safety sticker on here. And inside, this is what it looks like. There are nodes right here for connecting it to the earbuds. You can see right here, the earbuds, there's 3 metal sheets right there, and they actually get in contact with that, and that's how the earbuds get its charge from the case. The case also has a battery inside to where the case is charged inside. But I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side for a second while we examine what this looks like. So here is the earbuds, the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. This right here is padding that goes on the outside of the ear, so it gives you a little bit of cushion. And this goes on the inner ear. You can see right there. So you have the inner ear, outer ear cushion, and you have replacements for the tips. And I'm going to go ahead and take them off and put one on so you can see how to take them off and put them on for replacement. So you can see left, right, or small, large, and have the medium in there. So when you first get them, I would go ahead and try one of these on to see how well it fits in the ear. Feels like the medium fits quite well. I heard something, a sound, pre-recorded sound that went off. The large works, or the medium works for me. But if you want to replace it and put a different pad on, you can just come up here, just pull it off like that. Say, for instance, I want to put the small one on. Take it, and if you look at it, you can see that it's oblong shaped right here, oval shaped, not a full circle, not a square, so don't be a square. But when you're taking them off, you take them off, and to put a new earbud pad on, just take this and press down, and it snaps into place, just like that. Take it off, I pinch it, and pull it off like that, put it on, line it up, press, and it's on. Just like that. I'm going to put the mediums back on here, original. But first, I want to show you this right here. And so there's extra of these paddings right here. So I'm guessing that this gets old or run out, and you'll want to put a new one on. And this simply slides on and off. You just line it up. Put it through the loop. Line it up. And just press it back. Like that. It lines up like this. There's different sets. And this right here helps keep it inside of your ear. Oh, let me put the pad back on. And so there are different of these, different sizes of these. And this allows the earbud to fit uniformly inside of your ear. And you can see there's different sizes. See, this comes up a little bit higher, a lot higher. This one a little bit. So there's one that I have on here. This is 2 for the medium, 3 for the large. And you see how this thing comes up. And these things right here just simply help keep it secure inside of your ear. So I'm going to have this right here. So this is what they look like on the outside. And I'm going to go ahead and set this up with a phone. Okay, I'm going to set it up with a phone so you know how to connect it. So here's the Bose right here. Silver, nice looking. And to put it back in its case, I'm going to show you how to put it back in its case first. Slide it down there and it fits securely. All right, bada boom, bada boom. Close it, starts charging. So now I'm going to go ahead and set this up with a phone. Right here I have an iPhone. And I went into the Bluetooth settings. Okay, and I'm going to connect this. And so to connect this, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to press the back. And when you press the back, you press it and hold it down for a few seconds. Hold it down, POP. Or actually, open it up, then press it. Let me see. All right, so open it up, pressed it, and when I did that, something came up on the screen. It says Bose QC Ultra Earbuds. Okay, it's ready to be connected. I'm going to go ahead and press that, and it's going to start to connect. And right there, it says Bose QC Ultra Earbuds. And it says the accessory Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds uses an app. You do not have it installed. Would you like to get it from the App Store? Now, this is optional. You don't necessarily have to download the app for the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds. You could just go ahead and use it as it is. There is no obligatory reason or pressure for you to download the app, although there are a lot of features for you to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and ignore it. All right, so it ignored, and now I'm connected to the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra ear.